Hey guys, welcome back to Your Nifty Guy. I hope all of you are doing well. Most traders lose money not because the market is difficult, but because they enter the day without a plan. In today's video, we are going to break down the market structure, identify the important levels, and build a clear trading plan for tomorrow, step by step, without predictions or noise. If you are someone who believes in trading with logic, structure, and discipline rather than chasing random moves, you are in the right place. Make sure you watch this till the very end because one level or one condition can completely change how your trading day unfolds. And if you find value in this approach, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's serious about improving their trading. Let's jump straight into the video. So for Wednesday, what we had mentioned was that we are seeing a tight consolidation in Nifty and uh, mostly we can see is another day of sideways price action, and this is what exactly unfolded. Most of the day, Nifty was inside this particular triangle consolidation itself without any uh, proper structure. And once it even after it broke down out of the uh, structure as well, or the triangle consolidation on the lower trend line. After this pullback, this would have been an entry, but then again, like I always say, try to understand where the market is coming from, right? So the market came right straight from 25,760 odd levels and 630, and then gave a small pullback. So try to understand where the market is exactly coming from, and does it still have the steam left to carry on with the momentum? And exactly this simple logic of actually trying to witness and see where the market is coming from would have saved you from a wrong entry, and wherein if you would have entered out here, you would have been stopped out immediately in the next couple of 5 minute candles, right? Another thing which I would want to pinpoint out here is see, had the breakout come up on the upper side, had this particular move not come in, right? So this was a good consolidation before the breakout happening, right? So that is something when a breakout comes with a good consolidation or a sideways price action. Basically, this is volatility contracting. And then once the market would have moved out of it, it would have been a good scenario to trade on the breakout with the of course with the pullback. But then because this particular momentum-based move came in breaking below the lower trend line. This is something which I would not play, and this is something which I did not take part in. Wednesday was again a no trading day for me. Today was a trading holiday on account of BMC elections. Silly reasons to shut the market, in my opinion. But then again, these are things beyond our control. But uh, honestly speaking, right now, expect a lot more volatility in the markets because of the geopolitical tensions which are going on, right? Uh, US and Iran, Russia and Ukraine. There is a lot of geopolitical tensions shaping up right now. And honestly, I have stopped taking option buying positions overnight a long time back. But then again, I do carry the option selling positions that I have because mostly it is like one trade a week, which I initiate on the day starting after the expiry. So on Wednesdays, I initiate. And those are the trades which are, if they are in the range and there is already a good cushion, that is something which I carry forward maybe for the entire week. And I do have that position key and seeing what the developments are there, what about the updates which people are putting in across the world about maybe US attacking Iran. So those are the things that kind of make people uncomfortable. Now, usually it is not the case with option selling because it's calm, right? You don't need to panic exit. And also, I already have a good cushion on that particular trade because of these two sideways day, especially on Wednesday, extremely sideways day, leading to a good decay on both the call and put premiums that I have sold for the current expiry. But still, again, having a position open is something which keep makes you keep looking at what is happening. Has the attack already happened? What is if you can gather some information from anywhere? And so right now things are a little bit uncertain, and markets can behave irrationally based on what the news is, and you're not even sure whether the events or the outcomes of those are positive for India, negative for India. Even the US Supreme Court decision on Trump tariffs, which was supposed to come out yesterday, the court has again not signaled or not given any decision right now, and makes me wonder: are the U.S. courts any different from India? And the concept of Tariq pe Tariq is valid even there. So jokes aside, we'll keep the plan of action very simple for tomorrow. I will mostly be keeping a very reduced trading activity for tomorrow. Number one reason, we are, yes, in a sideways zone, and if I may, I will take the liberty of updating this particular trend line to this level now, right? The breach was not significant. Uh, the day low was breached out here, which was Tuesday's day low was breached slightly, I believe, and then immediately buying came in when sellers were trapped. Uh, for tomorrow, again, the price plan of action has to be extremely simple. I will not be keen in any long entries until unless previous day's high is taken out, right? So for tomorrow's session, Wednesday is the high, and keeping in mind the negative sentiments, I will be only taking a long entry above this, a short entry below this. This will be my simple trading plan for tomorrow. Nothing more, nothing less. I'll be so if we break down below this particular low and we get a good pullback, of course, we need to open somewhere around. If we're again opening with a gap up and then we are seeing some selling, that would again uh, make the trades on the short side a bit confusing, not confusing, but a bit little bit less probabilistic because of the journey which Nifty has already or the price has already completed before you decide to participate in it, right? And that is something which I will not be too happy about. So the opening, of course, is very, very important. If we open flat or a minor gap down, and then we are coming down and breaking these levels, and we get a trade on the short side, that will be a good trade. Uh, Simply because we are moving out of a sideways consolidation. So this is a huge sideways consolidation, right? We are in this, if you consider this particular swing and this particular swing high, from where the buying came in, and again, the high that was made at the opening, we are still within that range for the last 2 days. So yes, of course, that would mean that we are coming out of this consolidation as well as we are below 2 days low, which turns the bias, of course, to negative. And if we get a trade like this, wherein we are breaking down below this particular swing low with a pullback, and then we even break down below this, that is something which I would be keen in participating or adding some quantities to. But then a lot will also depend on the opening. I need a flattish to a little negative opening for this particular trade to sustain. In case if we again open the gap up, uh, things are going to get volatile and a little bit more difficult. Right. So again, my sincere and genuine suggestion to anybody out here is keep your trading activity to a bare minimum right now. Do not, under any circumstance, carry any positions overnight, especially over the weekend. Anything can happen that can destroy your position or your knowledge of entire technical analysis and whatever it is. So, yeah, keep your trading activities to bare minimum right now. Let the global sentiments uh, settle down a little bit. I do not know how long that is going to take, but then again, yes, let's hope and think that things are going to get settled down pretty soon. So, yes, that's the trading plan for tomorrow. Remember, the goal is not to trade every move, but to trade the right move when the market gives you confirmation. Stick to your levels, manage your risk, and let discipline do the heavy lifting. Markets will always be there, but capital and mindset need protection every single day. If this video helped you bring more structure, clarity to your trading, do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs a more systematic approach to the markets. And I will be posting the link to the Telegram channel in the pinned comment. So make sure you are subscribed there. I will be sharing live updates about markets and anything my news and views related to the stock market over there. So until next time, plan well, trade responsibly, and let the process work for you. Cheers, guys, and thanks for tuning in.